man to die, to my opinion.
Told the street. Got a mad dog in the street you want him to have.
Hey, Reckon wasn't no mad dog.
Who says he was?
I do. He was a man like you and me deserving of a fair trial.
What other wanted goes for a man dead or alive? They're saying he's fair game. Well, right or wrong. Notice how the papers stopped talking about the killer being from Dodge. Trying to play that down now.
You know, they don't take none of the bounty hunters.
Sure give a fella an itch, don't they?
One pull of the trigger,
And he gets set up for life.
Yeah, except they don't sleep too well after killing Ford Reckon's baby brother.
Funny about Cord Reckon. Never any pictures on him. Most people seeing his face gets killed real quick.
oh, that kill J. Reckon should be too hard to find.
Let's see now. Bird was on Friday. Hey, I bet you didn't have two stagecoaches up from the south in the next 24 hours. Am I right, Mr. Burt?
Well, it was a good night for ducks, all right.